The starter is the first of a new generation of sliding gate operators. Compact and easy to install, it has all of Sommer's traditional build quality, ease of use and safety features. It makes home automation cost-effective and affordable. The starter's stylish housing is small enough to operate in a tightly confined space. But it's powerful enough for gates up to 6 meters. It delivers superb performance, efficiency, and economy through its rack and pinion drive system. The starter conforms to rigid European and German quality standards and has Sommer's trusted reliability. Its intelligent control system learns the exact forces needed for precise gate movement and is so sensitive there is no need for an active safety barrier. It offers a full range of programming options. The emergency release is simple to use, and for added security, we offer a host of optional safety features. The starter has been designed with the professional installer in mind. Mounting the operator and aligning tracks is a simple task with the supplied console and spacers. The control board is easy to access and safely enclosed. All connectors, dip switches and dials are simple to adjust. Magnetic limit switches are quick to set up and are weatherproof. Connecting and commissioning the operator is a quick and logical process. Sommer's remote radio unit uses a 66-bit rolling code for complete security. And because it's part of the Sommer family, it will integrate perfectly with your existing home automation products. The starter is compact, affordable, and easy to install, making it the perfect choice for a new era of home automation.